Soumya Lakshmi. I'm a social gerontologist working in the realm of aged care last 15 years. Today I'm here to discuss about how to identify a good home healthcare agency. It's natural that most seniors prefer to live in their own home atmosphere where they are comfortable with, they are familiar with, they have a lot of memories attached until their last minute. To be able to continue to live in their own home atmosphere, one needs a lot of care. Unfortunately, most families are not able to pitch in as a full-time caregiver. That is when we start searching for a good carer. That is when we need a good caregiving agency, a home healthcare agency to handhold us. Here are 10 points that qualifies a home healthcare agency as the best. Determine who owns the company and how long they are operational. Understand their professional qualification and academic background and see if they have any experience in the healthcare realm. Chances are that if they have any healthcare background or they have industry experience, they understand the healthcare, geriatric healthcare or aged care nuances, and see where they are operating from. Are they operating from a well-established office or from a dingy space or a makeshift facility? Understand their selection and screening policy when they take the candidates for training. This way you can ensure the right candidates are selected for the job. You're more likely to get a dedicated and committed aide when the organization supports the candidates with right policies, protection and incentives. Well, most agencies think that there's not much of detailed training or high quality training needed in order to provide the elderly patients with companionship or running their errands or just accompanying the patient to a hospital. But this is not true. A good training program includes communication skills, orientation about etiquette, orientation about mannerisms, and the care attitude, the attitude that is required for the job, and care ethics. And most importantly, to put their best interest, the patient's best interest before their own. So understanding the details of the training is very important. A website that contains a lot of information, not just a website that is a marketing kind of a website which has a product and pricing listed, but they should have a lot of information regarding the history of the organization, core competency, details of the core team, what are the business ethics, etc. So basically it should be more than just a manpower providing agency. Now, this continuum care policy includes leave policy, complaint redressal policy, and replacement policy and monitoring policy. And all these four should be informed to you before you get into the contract. Now, when it comes to long-term care, it's very important that the agency should get into the assessment, a comprehensive assessment of the patient's condition, clinical history, task involved, behavioral issues, sleep patterns and eating disorders if any, and then they should be able to come out with a very feasible care plan, orient the carer pertaining to the care plan they prepare. This way, there are more chances of the carer be able to succeed in the task. And the agency will ask you for medical reports if they need to glean information for a comprehensive assessment. A good agency will form a team with you, but not just providing a manpower. Now, a good agency, a good home healthcare agency, handholds you in a changing scenario. The changing scenario can be change in patient's condition. The task involved is more than the carer can actually perform, or if the carer has any adjustmental issues with the patient, with the family, or with the co-worker, where the carer is no longer able to continue to extend care for the patient. So it's a crisis situation, it's a changing scenario. So agency should be able to pitch in with support and come out with a new care plan, reorient the carer or the family or the patient, and ensure that the continuum of care is maintained. Instead of pulling off the services and leaving the family and the patient in lurch, they should be able to find solutions in the crisis situation. Yes, a good service provider exhibits honesty. No service provider should promise you more, and perhaps if they do, they must be probably cheating you. They should not tell you a very blown up, a very rosy picture and make it look like the whole caregiving experience is just a cakewalk. Rather, they should tell you what are their limitations and challenges and what is expected of them and what is not expected of them. And they prepare you for the challenges and then handhold you. They promise to handhold you in the challenges rather than giving you a rosy picture. So the honesty is a key factor in selecting the agency. Whatever they promise you during the time of hiring a home nurse, they put that in a paper and they define what is expected of them, what is expected of you, and what is expected of a carer. Everything well defined in a paper, and then mutually they make you sign, they sign it and enter into a written contract. So this shows that there are no room for gray areas and they are very clear about what they promise to deliver. They make inspections, periodic inspections. They check on the patient's condition. They check on the care being rendered by the carer. They also collect feedbacks from the co-workers, from the family members, from the patient pertaining to the care given to the patient and her overall behavior or his overall behavior in the house. And depending on the feedback, they reward the carer or they reorient the carer. So this way, the carer is encouraged to deliver the exceptional care that they are giving. I hope this information helps you in your caregiving journey. In Compassion Unlimited series, we discuss aged care concerns, geriatric syndromes, and few of my experiences as a social gerontology practitioner. I hope my first-hand knowledge and resource helps many families, those who are caregiving for their beloved parent, and mitigate the pain and suffering of infirm, bedridden elderly in our society. In our next video, we discuss how certain home nursing agencies cheat and how to stop them beforehand. Until we meet next time, take care.